Americans everywhere are reliving where they were and what they were doing on the morning of the terror attacks on September 11th.
A day we'll never forget. CBS 58 Capitol reporter Emily Fannin talks to a UW doctor who was in New York that day.
I, like every other New Yorker who experienced this, will never forget.
2 decades ago, Lisa Arkin was a 25-year-old working for the TV network Showtime in New York. On September 11, 2001, she had to report for jury duty near the World Trade Center, so she hopped on the subway, but then the tracks came to a halt.
We knew that something terrible had happened, and so when they finally let us out, we saw what every other New Yorker who was there at Ground Zero, just complete devastation.
While working at Showtime, Arkin also volunteered at St. Vincent Hospital in Manhattan, bringing smiles to children's faces who are fighting cystic fibrosis. She loved giving back, and 9/11 was a transformative moment where she realized creating movies and shows wasn't her calling in life.
You know, I called my parents and I said, I have good news and I have bad news. Which do you want to hear first? And they said, please, good news. And I said, well, I just got promoted. And they said, that's great, what's the bad news? And I said, I think I'm going to quit my job and go to medical school.
Arkin followed her dreams.
I mean, I've never looked back.
She's now a UW health doctor working with children in the dermatology unit, a job where she can continue to bring joy to those going through a difficult time.
The power to heal kids. I mean, what could be more remarkable?
Arkin now spends a lot of her time studying new COVID-19 variants and battles COVID misinformation. In Madison, Emily Fannin, CBS 58 News.